Hi guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, it is 1:26 a.m. if you can see that. And I've been up, well, I actually want to do a video to post, like a full video to post of this right here, what I'm doing. But I was just trying some stuff. Okay, remember I did a video about me wanting to emulate some stuff that Miss Scrapcraftastic does. Well, I tried it tonight, and I'm actually kind of pleased with it. And I just want to show you what I did. And this is the spread that I did. And I have two books. One with just blank paper. Well, they're both blank, but one is a book with like manila or vanilla colored paper in it, and the other one is graph paper. And I said, well, let me just try this. Let me just get regular copy paper and see if I can work it that way. So this is actually what I came up with. But what I want to do is, in a full video, I want to show you the steps that I went through to get the paper size right, to get these boxes the same size, that type of deal. And I will record that later on today, because today is Wednesday, the 23rd? Is it the 23rd? The 24th, my bag. Today is Wednesday, April the 24th. And like I said, it's almost 1:30 in the morning, and this is what I was up doing, testing. So when I wake up, hopefully, what I will do is go through the steps like I said, show you guys how I did this as best I can, and hopefully that it'll be a good video and it won't be so long. Okay, so I'm gonna go through it baby steps, all right? And I want you guys to try it. And is this perfect? No, because you don't see any numbers on it, because I forgot to get the numbers. You don't see like a month on here or any of that type of deal. So I've made some mistakes doing this spread, but that's okay. I'm going to hopefully be able to overcome those mistakes when I do a full video, okay? So I want you guys to make sure that you guys come back later, or just keep your eye out sometime today, which is Wednesday. Again, Wednesday the 24th, April. And just, like I said, keep your eyes out so you guys can come and go on this journey with me, okay? All right, guys, that's it. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this very small video, or very short video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs.